We're back at St. Vincent Court, and something really special is happening here next to Ardo's Broadway Deli. You got to get in a little closer so I can wait. Okay, wait, there you are. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. What on earth?
I'm here at St. Vincent's Court in front of Ardo's Broadway Deli. Yay, Ardo. I'm here with my friend Berch. And Berch, you are making halva. Okay, explain to the camera what halva is. Because this is a dish from your childhood, right?
Yes, from my childhood time. I used to do kitchen all the time. So I learned this from my grandmother. So there is no recipe. I just
Well, you know what goes into it. You have all your ingredients.
You made Ardo laugh.
But I saw you send Ardo inside for more butter, so you didn't have enough.
Yes, we put butter. Yeah, it was butter, it was short.
Tahini too? You always have that, yeah.
Flour, and actually we get
The semolina flour, right? Which is special flour.
and we use dark brown sugar.
Okay, yeah.
And we use baking flour,
Mm-hmm.
gluten-free, and we use goat milk.
Oh, good. That's the
Okay,
secret
that's the
ingredient.
secret,
That's
yeah.
what gives it the flavor that is like the islands. So,
Alright,
so wait, you started doing this with your grandmother in Cyprus? In Cyprus was where you learned. Yes.
My grandmother.
I don't think is your grandmother still around? She's in heaven. Oh.
So Berch, tell us about this process. So you've mixed everything. You're heating it
Yes.
over. You're dry toast.
Yes.
You're toasting this.
Yes, dry
And then you're
toasted.
going to pour the sugar mixture in,
sugar.
and it's all going to come together.
Yes, then you have sugar, tahini.
Right. So the tahini. So the wet ingredients are in the sugar.
Yes.
So you toasted the two different types of flour.
Yes.
You.
Which has changed since you started, and we can smell it, and it's wonderful.
It's really roasting. And this is a really nice little propane grill you have here. I'm thinking about getting one. It's really nice.
Only if you make halva for me, so pay attention.
I might get back to like making tea from scratch. It's terrible habit to get into. Very
We're
complicated.
gonna put the
Oh wait, is it happening? Oh, I'm so
happening.
excited.
Here we
Okay,
go.
here we go. Oh, listen to
wow.
that.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh,
Oh, that.
I'm so glad we're here right now.
The sugar is caramelizing. Oh, the sugar is caramelizing. Fantastic. So he's stirring. Oh, this is really coming together. It's really coming together.
I'm getting dizzy from how good that smells.
Smells so good, Berch.
and this is very
Yes.
Yeah, it is healthy actually. And it'll give you energy too. You can carry it in your pocket.
It smells wonderful. Yep, you turn down the heat.
Yeah.
And now it's now gonna gel.
Wow.
Oh, Berch, this is fantastic. This is just fantastic.
short time we are doing here. But I like it. Arto like it.
Hey, Ardo, well, that's good. It's his place. So you couldn't.
You have to make Ardo happy. Was this your idea? No? Okay.
Berch, this looks wonderful. Well, maybe you can start a little club and you can get some devotees to come down and
Do you
help
need
you.
more milk? No, we are okay.
You're ready? It's all good? Okay. All right, so now we're going to let this set up.
Yeah, I'm gonna taste it.
We're going to let this cool.
Yeah, we're gonna.
That's the next step.
Yes, like 5 minutes with it.
Well, 5 minutes is nothing.
So you get this.
Okay, great. Well, Berch, this looks just fantastic.
You know, every time I cook, I have no measurement. No,
Right, it's just feeling.
Yeah, how much you put, you know. So far coming good taste.
So,
wait, I have a question for you. Oh, are we tasting?
Ardo's going to sample it.
I'm going to do it.
Oh, for me?
Good.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Good luck.
Thank you.
So Berch, I'm going to ask you a question. So you're cooking something from your childhood, which
Yes.
is one of my favorite topics to talk to people about.
That's why he liked it too, because he remembered his childhood.
Right,
His
yes.
mother making.
Yes.
This is so different from any halva I've ever had.
Yeah,
It's
this-
not very sweet.
No, we don't make so sweet. It's
No.
healthy, you know. So
This is lovely.
homemade.
It has a beautiful consistency.
So Kim, I want to ask you a serious question
No,
about
try
childhood and
this.
cooking.
You have to try this before you.
It's amazing. So Berch,
Good.
I love
we
it.
just were talking about this before you started putting everything together.
Yes.
You're from an area which a larger area would be called Anatolia, right?
Yes.
Cyprus, Armenia, yes, Turkey. This is
Eastern Europe.
right? So Anatolia. So what does this mean for you? Making a dish that you grew up at your grandmother's knee making. What does it do for you now?
When I say Anatolia, the mean to me is beginning of civilization.
Yes, but the Trojan War,
Yes.
the Achaean captains coming out from Greece
Yes.
to lay siege for 10 years.
Yes.
The first one of the first poems in history.
Yes.
The Trojan War.
Some of us haven't forgotten.
Some of it that's Anatolia. The shores of Troy are Anatolia. Yeah.
Okay, this is ready
This
now.
is almost right. Okay.
Yeah, I have to put on the like a cup.
Yeah.
Right.
And you can, if you like,
Right.
you can have some
Okay,
cinnamon.
Yeah,
Wait,
cinnamon?
Before you go, just tell us about your grandmother.
Oh, yeah, please. What was her name?
When you remember, as you make this, do you think about when you were a boy?
Yeah, you know how I say. Can you believe? His name it was Ojan.
Okay.
Ojan. And of course, yeah, I remember like when we are even baby, they take care of us, they love us.
Right.
You know, they never let us on the seat alone. Always they hold us like that. And even they cooking.
Kim's grandparents raised her, so she understands.
Yeah, you know.
But my
that-
grandmother, I love her so much. She was a terrible cook. Terrible.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, not like yours.
Yeah, they love us so much. You know, they are lovely people. I always miss them.
Yeah, me too.
Right now, I am come from like a very large family,
Yeah.
but right now nobody left. And unfortunately, as a Christian, we have to escape from the North Cyprus.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Some Armenian from Turkey.
Right.
So everybody
Has to
went
leave.
somewhere else.
Oh, diaspora.
And we-
Diaspora. Yeah, diaspora.
Well, I'm so glad that we were able to. Thank you for letting us interview you.
I appreciate
Okay, where's the cinnamon? Oh, we know you. You're
I'm
like
gonna
here.
get it right.
Okay, go get the cinnamon.
Yeah, get the cinnamon.
I'm
Oh,
gonna give you one cup. It's
Okay, perfect.
thank you. I wouldn't say no because it's lovely and what a
We
gift.
see Berch every time we come here.
I had no idea he was
backgammon.
he was the baklava man.
Playing backgammon, he's drinking tea. We've
Not
never
baklava.
seen him. What?
We've never
Ba-
not baklava. I got confused.
Right.
It's not baklava.
It's halva.
It's halva, but it's not like any halva we've ever had
And you
before.
know what? I don't have now. I'm gonna put cinnamon, but if you like, you can put some walnut or
Okay.
some.
We have nuts at home. We have really good cinnamon.
We have a lot of really good nuts
You
at home.
can break the nuts
Yeah.
in the bag.
Okay.
And you put it. Can be
Is
nice.
pistachio okay?
Yeah, pistachio.
I have
very
pistachio.
good, very good.
God bless you. What a lovely treat.
I like the toasty smell. No?
Yeah.
It's like the toast.
It's like the old world is here.
Berch, thank you so much.
We're very
So
grateful.
We'll come see you on Monday and give you a report. Okay, thanks.
Good luck. Let me take your picture if I don't see you.
Oh, take your picture. I got you. So come down to St. Vincent Court and wait. Oh, but the question is, if someone just wanders down here and they see you doing this and they're nice to you, are you going to give them a little of your grandmother's delicious treat? Or is,
If people come to see you, will you?
or is it for sale? What's the story?
They just have to come find you. It's just,
Yeah.
If you're making it, you're making it.
So it's always worth asking people what they're doing because you might
so we're gonna-
be
we're
very
gonna take this
grateful and
home.
lucky.
We're going to carry this home very carefully. We're gonna
That means
try
you're going to
and
stay out of trouble, cowboy.
always stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Ardo. I
We're
love
going
you.
to say goodbye.
Thank you.
So
God
we're
bless you.
here at St. Vincent's Court. This is just off of 7th, just west of Broadway. Ardo's Deli. Ardo, you're here Monday through Friday. That's right. Yeah, 9:30.
So here's the scene. You can sit here. It's wonderful. Look at all the delicious things you can eat. We'll see you here at the best place, in the best city, in the best part of the world. I love Los Angeles. And they call it St. Vincent Court. Very historic, very sweet, very special. And they need some customers, so come on down.